Well, look, I mean, I read somewhere on social media, someone was saying that there are rivers that pass through Paris and through London. And whilst they do, the River Thames is an estuary. And the River Seine doesn't rise from the Himalayan mountains, and neither of them experience the monsoon. So the idea that you'll train this river and sort of concretize it and have real estate on the sides looks great on paper, but it belies the geographical context in which we live. I myself have been proven wrong because I believed truly that once India had completed the Theen Dam upriver Ravi, that the chances of flooding in these parts would be very, very low. But look here, what we've experienced in the Punjab in the last week have been immense rains, monsoon rains concentrated in over Kasur, over Sialkot, Narowal, the Himalayas, in Himachal Pradesh and Jammu and Kashmir on the Indian side. And this you can't get around, and this will happen again and again. And RUDA's woefully, woefully, ineptly unprepared for these sorts of disasters. And so, look, I should also point out that RUDA is not a project. RUDA is actually a law that was passed by the Punjab Assembly that wanted a sustainable city for the people of Lahore. I truly believe in that vision as well, but there are very many means of delivering it. Now, concretizing the river and then having real estate, essentially acquiring land from farmers and handing it over to people rich enough to drive SUVs, is one way of doing it. But for example, there was a study that was completed for the government of Punjab. It was a ADB funded study where a revitalization was proposed of the Ravi, that you leave the riverbed and about a kilometer of the floodplain on either sides, and you can have your construction afterwards. And you can declare the protected floodplain a park and actually start restoring the ecology of the area. And with the real estate, you don't have to sell to people who have, four-wheel drives. You can actually make low-cost, mid-density, mixed-use housing for middle-class, working-class people as well. So I don't mind the idea of populating the Ravi. It's the vision and the type of design that you want to see that's sustainable and climate resilient.